Hey, how you doing?
CABS On Demand is a new transportation service that provides access to areas west of the Olentangy River that have limited access to bus service. It provides access from 3 stops on Central Campus. The daytime service runs 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Between the hours of 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. will provide service between any campus building. People can be picked up at designated stops. There's a map for the daytime service on the website, and then overnight service is available to any campus building. Download the TripShot app. There's a link to that in the OSU mobile app, and that app will give you access to request rides on this service. Once the trip is requested, the rider will see a map with the shuttle as well as their location.
Thank you.